Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning the 25 most frequently used words in daily life. Hello.
Cześć.
Bye.
Do widzenia.
Yes.
Tak.
No.
Nie.
Thank you.
Dziękuję.
You're welcome.
Proszę.
Sorry.
Przepraszam.
How are you?
Jak się masz?
Good.
Dobrze.
Bad.
Źle.
It's okay.
Okej.
Maybe.
Może.
Of course.
Oczywiście.
I.
Ja.
You.
Ty.
You.
Pan.
He.
On.
She.
Ona.
We.
My.
They.
Oni.
What?
Co?
When?
Kiedy?
Where?
Gdzie?
Why?
Dlaczego?
How?
Jak?
Quiz time.
Ty. Ty. Oczywiście. Oczywiście.
The answer is
Dziękuję. Dziękuję. Do widzenia. Do widzenia.
The correct answer is
Kiedy? Kiedy? Przepraszam. Przepraszam.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next video.